Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm just going to be reminding you guys that the Kid at Party event has ended, but you are still able to claim, to redeem the stuff from the exchange store. So if you have some more party hats that you haven't spent, you are able to still purchase some of the items here. Um, I don't know if you can still, I think you can still do the party. Okay, it ends in 11 days. So you cannot obtain any more of the party hats, but you can still join the hide and seek parties and the parkour parties. But it's just a reminder that it's going to be gone, I think, in 11 days. It's going to end. So this is just a quick reminder, if you want to get your badges, do it now. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.